Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Ken, and today we're going to be talking about some changes that Facebook has made. Facebook has been very busy these couple of days and being down and doing some updates and things like that. And these new changes is supposed to help marketers like me or anyone that's watching right now to make to help us make better judgment in our ads and to see whether it's relevant to other people. That's just one of them, and to consolidate some of the information together. It's supposed to help us, but let's see what the changes are. And it's going to be implemented fully on 30th of April. And what we see now, some of the ad sets, some of the ads has already implemented this, because I've been running quite a lot of other campaigns. I mean, I'm involved in many other pages, and I saw that some of the campaigns have already been in this new dashboard, but still not fully rolled out to everyone yet. So I assume that it's written in Facebook page on 30th of April where it'll be full rollout. So let's jump into it and see what the changes are. Okay, busy Facebook. So this is the new changes. So they did some changes in the optimization metrics. So as written here, as part of their effort to improve their ad metrics offering, they have removed certain metrics and replaced them with some new ones, and they will start on the 30th of April 2019. So one of the major one is the offer saved and cost per offer saved. This one we don't really use much unless you want to see which post is being saved when you run an ad. So now they changed the name only. It's still being called as saves. They're just introducing new thing plus post saves. And it is, yeah, this is something that I think those bigger marketers that dealing with big MNCs company, where they want to check their engagement, how many people save their posts and things like that. So I guess this is a good thing where they consolidated into one. I'll jump into relevant score later. So for messaging replies and cost per messaging reply, this is a very good change as well. So they are removing these messaging replies and cost per messaging reply to this new messaging connection and messaging conversation started. So what it means that now, instead of just when you do a messaging ad or other ads as using messaging platform, because there's other variation of messaging ad. You can do traffic ad, which is good to we go to, for example, like chatbot, and then chatbot, you will record down the messaging replies as well. Okay, that's beyond the point. The beyond point is now they are now combining and putting as new name as new messaging connection and messaging conversation started. So they only focus on new conversation with people that is new to the campaign or new to the page. So it is no more just anyone message something, reply something on based on the ads. So it's more towards it's really a new conversation. So this is pretty good. So it's you can go to a cold audience with this, uh, aiming for cold audience, and instead of having the data that's included with audience that has already messaged you. Another one, which is a mobile app purchase ROAS and ROAS and web purchase ROAS. It's a good thing that they combine them, because in the dashboard itself, you can actually break into whether it's mobile or web purchase, the platform and things like that, and ad placement. So we can combine them, is easier. I've run a few ads also. I noticed that some of them are still split, some of them are still combined. So I guess at the end of the day, they decide to combine everything into just one purchase ROAS metrics. Then you just click on how to say, to see what's the channels that is being run. There's a button for you to click on it in the app platform. So this is pretty good to combine them instead of having a long columns of things. They combine them into one. This is pretty good. Another big thing is the relevance score. So why I choose this last, because this is one of the things that's most talked about. Relevance score, usually what it means is if there's higher relevance score, it means that your ads are performing very well. That means it's relevant to the audience. That is as simple as that. But now they broke it into three different things, which is quality ranking, engagement rate ranking, and conversion rate ranking. So now they can diagnose it better. That means when you run the ads, you can know whether I'll go step by step. Okay, and last time we just have relevance score where they combine all the metrics together, which is also quite easy to see, because and quite easy to manipulate, as not manipulate but quite it's quite simple because it's only one metric. And what people usually do is they get friends to like the post or things like that to increase the relevance score. But apparently now it is a bit different now after they split these three. So there's good and bad. The bad thing is now they have more things to read, three columns, and then it is not as easy to increase the relevance score as before. But the good thing is, okay, let's jump what's individual ranking score first. Let's go to this about ad relevance diagnostics. So as you can see, last time people see like I say the relevance score is the higher the relevance score, it means the better it is. That means that it is relevant to the audience that is being shown. But we are unable to see what is the quality, whether it is the ad quality is bad, or the engagement rate is bad, or conversion rate is bad, because they combine all three. And now they separate them to quality ranking. So in quality ranking, it means how your ads perceive quality compared to ads being competing for the same audience. It means what is your ad quality, whether the copy is bad, or the pictures are bad and things like that. And this is compared to the same audience that you run. For example, if you run a marketing audience, or you run entrepreneurial audience, or people that like Russell Brunson, for example. So how do you compare with those people that run the same audience? And with this quality ranking is pretty good, so you can see whether your image that you use, whether the copy that you use is actually relevant. Engagement rate ranking. So how your ads expected engagement rate, all these are compared to the same audience, so I'm not going to repeat again and again. So how your ads expected engagement rate. Engagement rate is like, share, comment, save, and things like that. And with this engagement rate ranking, you get to see whether, because sometimes you want your post to have a lot of engagement. A lot of engagement means one, there's a social proof about the post that people actually like your post, and the second thing is it shows that your post is also relevant in a way, because people actually like what they see. So that we can play around with this engagement rate ranking, but for me I don't think it's really that important, because for example, if I do lots of lead gen campaign, why do I want more engagement as long as people convert? And this is where the conversion rate ranking come in. So this is how your ad expected conversion rate compared to the ads. And what it means that how your rate convert, how your ad convert, whether it's a landing page conversion, a form conversion, or messaging conversion, things like that. And for me, I think this is a very valuable ranking now that they have this. However, they still haven't fully rolled out yet, so learning these three ranking may take some time, may get some used to, and the metrics may not be as accurate as the relevant score last time, because relevant score, if it's low, you can see that it's actually quite expensive, and when it's high, it's slightly cheaper. Yeah, but yeah, this is a very interesting change. Let's see what else. Let's see how to use this in the future. For me, off the bat, I can see if conversion rate ranking, that means if I run a conversion ads, which is to landing page, that means my landing page need to be optimized. And also, of course, you have to go through all three. If my quality rank is high, that means people actually feel that my ad is of quality, but the good pictures, good copy, and things like that. Engagement rate high, that means people is engaging to my post. A lot of people clicking, a lot of people liking, sharing, PMing, or I mean not PM, message, yeah, messaging, putting comments, putting comment and things like that. But the conversion rate is bad. That means the ad is relevant, but people not converting. So I have to think of a way to convert them better, whether have a better converting copy. I don't have to change the picture because people already like it, or maybe I have to change my landing page, and maybe I reduce the barrier for my audience to put in their information and things like that, or barrier to purchase and things like that. So there's many things we can look. And for example, if conversion and engagement is conversion is low, engagement is high, but quality is bad, that means my pictures is not doing well, or my ad copy assets are not doing well. Then I can improve on my ads, and then when the ads improve, then the conversion definitely will be better, and things like that. So these three, for me, I think is pretty good. Just that you need some getting used to, and to know whether this is really, how to say, applicable or really relevant to us marketer. So these are the few changes. Let's repeat where they change this offer save and cost per offer save to post save. The relevance score has been split to 3: quality, engagement rate, and conversion rate. The messaging reply, cost per messaging reply has been changed to new messaging connection, which is really good because they only focus on new conversations, not old ones. The mobile app purchase ROAS and web purchase ROAS has been combined into one ROAS, which I think is pretty good as well because you can break them down in the breakdown section in the um, ad manager in the ad platform as well itself. So these are the few changes which will start on April 30. That's it. Hopefully this video helped you, and hopefully at least with this you are aware of the changes in Facebook. I've got put the information down in the description box below, so you can just go and have a look and maybe just see and try to understand what's happening in Facebook. And all, I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like what I shared, please like my video and subscribe to my channel to support me. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.